Happy Saturday, Rutgers. Weather watcher Max Hazzon here to bring you the evening forecast on Saturday, February 10th, 2018. We have a lot to talk about, so let's hop right into it. Start by taking a look at our satellite radar. Rain has started to move into our area right now. That's going to be continuing on through the night tonight and into tomorrow. Look at this line of storms all the way from the Gulf Coast down to Louisiana. All that's going to be pushing its way up into our area through the day tomorrow. That's going to be the main story for our headlines. Nothing but rain. It's going to be a soaking Sunday. Lots of rain, possibly some heavy at times. That's prompted a flood watch, which is in effect from now until midnight on Monday. So we could see a couple inches. I'll talk more about that in a couple minutes. But we will also have a dry first half of the week after this storm moves out of our region. So Futurecast is showing that rain has already started. Some areas have received some spotty heavy rain. That's going to continue on through the day tomorrow. We could see some more heavy rain throughout the night tonight into tomorrow. That's going to clear out just after sunset, but then we're going to possibly see another isolated shower or two rolling through the area. That'll clear out shortly after midnight on Monday, giving us a clear day on Monday and into Tuesday. Now, speaking of the watches, this is what I was mentioning before in the headlines. Flood watches are in effect for most of the state, excluding Sussex and Passaic counties. We could see a couple of inches of rain, as I mentioned, and this is what we're going to see right now in our Stormwatcher rain totals. Here in the red is where we could see the most amount of rain. And that also includes New Brunswick down to Philly, all the way down to D.C., possibly 3 inches of rain, locally higher amounts. So be careful if you're driving on the roads tonight and tomorrow. Now let's bring it back here. Looking at our almanac, we had a low temperature of 29 degrees, high temperature of 45 degrees, just a little bit above our averages for this time of year. And we also have current temperatures across the state that are a little bit above average for this time of year as well. 46 in Mount Holly, 54 in Toms River, a warm spot down at the coast, 52 in Atlantic City, cool spots up at Sussex at 35 degrees. For tonight's lows, as mentioned before, another mild one, 42 here in New Brunswick, 46 in Camden, cool spot again up in Sussex at 35 degrees, warm spot down in Atlantic City at 49 degrees. But as we head further north and west, a lot cooler, 27 up in Ithaca, at the freezing point at 32 degrees in Oneonta, warmer as you head further south, 46 in Philadelphia, 44 in Baltimore, and 48 down in Dover. Now, just taking a look ahead tonight for our area, 42 degrees, rain will be continuing on through the night, some brief heavy downpours, winds are light and variable. And for tomorrow, if you're waking up at around 9 a.m., 44 degrees will be our temperature, a warm start to the day, winds out of the northeast at 3 to 5 miles per hour, and some heavy rain will be continuing on. Our 7-day forecast shows, as I mentioned, that rain will continue through tomorrow with a warm temperature of 55 degrees. It dries out on Monday, even though we're going to have fairly cloudy skies. Tuesday, it drops down to the 30s, but a lot nicer. Wednesday and Thursday, back up to the 50s. Thursday, though, a chance of some showers. Going back to Wednesday for your Valentine's Day, if you're heading on now, it's going to be a nice day. Still wear a sweatshirt because it could be a little bit chilly as you head out during the night. Friday and Saturday cools down into the lower 40s with a chance of shower on Saturday. That is all for tonight. If you miss us, you can check us out every 15 minutes on channel 23.1 at RUTV Network, or like us on Facebook at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher, or follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW and submit your photos using the hashtag RUWeather. And for more information, come to our website at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Max Hazzon. Have a great rest of your weekend, Rutgers.